Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Radita Rosaria Ramdhani from VB Art 4D, and I'm going to present an episode from BBC Podcast. First episode is Your Deed to Me. This is podcast with historical and humor. Second is BBC Inside Science, content science and innovation. And third episode is more or less behind the stats. This is explain statistic in the media. Okay, now I wanna tell you the summarize from first podcast episode, Your Deed to Me. The title is Benedetta Carlini, published on August 24th, 2024. The main topic of this episode is the life of Benedetta Carlini. She is an Italian nun at 17th century. The episode also highlights around intersection of religious favor, power, sexuality, and historical scrutiny. And on this podcast, tell about Benedetta Carlini mystical vision, like a miracle, and the subsequent papal investigation that reveal her sexual relationship with another nun. One interesting point the guest mentioned is the detail of papal investigation and evidence that led to her downfall. Next, let's talk about the second podcast episode, BBC Inside Science. The title is US Science in Chaos, published on February 13, 2025. This episode discusses the disruption and instability within the US scientific research community, primarily focusing on the impact of funding cuts and police change implemented by the Trump administration. And the podcast also highlight the investigate the consequence of this change on research institution, scientific innovation, and the U.S. Position in global science. One interesting point the host and guest mentioned is an invasive snake species on the UK and debate surrounding phone bans in school, showing the breadth of topic covered. And the third podcast episode is more or less behind the stat is the title, What is an IQ map and can we trust them? Published on March 15, 2025. This episode discusses the concept or IQ maps, which geographical visualization that purport to show the courage IQ score of population in different region or countries. The episode also highlight the potential for misinterpretation and misses of such maps. considering the complex of intelligent cultural difference and the limitation of standardized testing across diverse population. One interesting point the host and guest mentioned is just because IQ score are different, it in the one place doesn't mean one place just smarter. Okay, now I wanna explain the concept or term I got from each podcast episode. From first episode podcast, I learned one concept which is called papal investigation. This is mean an official inquiry conducted by the Pope or the Catholic Church. It used to investigate a possible heresy, misconduct, or extraordinary phenomena like vision, miracle, or claim of sainthood. This concept relates to real life because it shows how powerful institutions like the Catholic Church handle accusation, discipline, and controversies just like government, a company, or school do today. In the second podcast, it is explained as funding cuts. Funding cuts is reduction in financial support allocated to scientific research. The consequence is this cut can lead to layoff, cancel project, reduce service, or slower progress, especially in areas like education, science, and healthcare. This concept relates to real life because they directly affect the service and opportunity people rely on every day. From third podcast, I learned one concept which is called psychometrics. This is a study of measuring minds. This concept relate to real life because it helps us to measure psychological traits like intelligence, personality, and mental health in a way that's objective and reliable. These measurements are used in school, like this is for learning assessment, and in the workplace, this is for hiring and development, and in the clinic, like for diagnosing mental health issue, and even in everyday decision, like for career planning. And last, I will share to you about language expression from each podcast I heard. From first podcast, I noticed the speakers use praise of the rails. It means someone behaving widely or erratically. Like people usually say this when a situation or person that has gone out of control became chaotic or strayed far from expected behavior. From second podcast, I noticed the speaker used the press and pick what the implications are. Here, unpick is used metaphorically to mean analyzing or dissecting complex issues. The episode probably used this expression to indicate the detailed examination of the sequence of policy change on the global scientific stage. And from the third podcast, an idiom I heard is to take something with a pinch of salt. It means informal way to express don't believe it completely, like think it might not to be 100% true. People usually say this when they hear information that might not to be completely true, accurate, or trustworthy. Okay, that's all my presentation from reviewing BBC podcast for extensive listening course. I hope you guys enjoy this video and hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. So, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.